What if the most dangerous part of your car isn't the engine, isn't the brakes, isn't even the driver, but the four pieces of rubber you're trusting with your life every single day? Right now, under your car, four hand-sized contact patches are holding back thousands of pounds of metal at highway speed. And most drivers never think twice about them. Tires are just tires, right? Black, round, cheap if possible. That assumption is exactly why mechanics see the same disasters over and over again. Behind closed shop doors, away from flashy ads and showroom lighting, technicians whisper a very different truth. A truth built from shredded sidewalls, sudden blowouts, and cars that just wouldn't stop in time. According to internal shop data and mechanic logs, more than 40% of serious tire failures they deal with trace back to just a few brands millions of people buy simply because they're on sale. And here's the part that should make you pause. The difference between a well-engineered tire and a bad one isn't small. We're not talking 5 or 10%. In wet braking tests, the stopping gap can exceed 120 feet. That's the length of 8 parked cars. That's the space between stopping safely and crashing into something you can't undo. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of real garages, alignment bays, and tire labs to reveal the 8 tire brands mechanics trust with their own families, and the 3 they refuse to install, even when customers beg. And the number 1 brand might shock you, because it isn't the loudest. It isn't the flashiest. It's the quiet overperformer that's been embarrassing billion-dollar companies in real-world testing. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you may never look at your tires the same way again. Most people obsess over horsepower, infotainment screens, and LED lighting, but tires are the only part of your car that actually touches the road. Not the suspension. Not the traction control. Just rubber meeting asphalt. Every acceleration, every corner, every emergency stop depends on compound quality, belt strength, and sidewall integrity. Mechanics see the patterns. Blowouts don't come from nowhere. Uneven wear isn't random. Sudden loss of control usually isn't bad luck. It's weak steel belts, poor rubber chemistry, overheated compounds, and cost-cutting during manufacturing. One veteran alignment specialist summed it up perfectly when he said people will spend hundreds upgrading headlights, but hesitate to invest in the one thing keeping them alive at 70 miles an hour. So how do mechanics actually judge tires when marketing noise disappears? They don't care about commercials. They care about results. Real mileage, not box claims. How a tire behaves on soaked pavement at highway speed. Whether the sidewall holds when it hits potholes. How the rubber survives extreme heat without breaking down internally. Whether road noise turns your cabin into a rolling drum. And most importantly, consistency, because even a premium brand becomes dangerous if quality control slips. After thousands of shop surveys, test comparisons, failure reports, and real-world driving data, clear patterns emerge. Let's start with the brands mechanics quietly recommend. One of the most underrated names is General Tire. It rarely gets hype, but it consistently delivers dependable tread life, solid wet braking, and predictable wear. It's affordable without being fragile, making it a favorite for commuters and family SUVs. Many mechanics note something telling. They almost never see manufacturing defects from General. That kind of consistency builds trust fast. Cooper earns respect for a different reason. Built tough, especially for heat. In hot climates where cheap rubber breaks down internally, Cooper tires hold their structure. Their sidewalls are thick, making them ideal for trucks and SUVs. They can be slightly louder than luxury brands, but durability is their calling card. Many technicians consider Cooper truck tires nearly indestructible for the price. Michelin is the name everyone expects, and yes, it still belongs on this list, but not without context. Michelin excels at wet braking, ride comfort, and manufacturing consistency. However, mechanics have noticed that some newer models wear faster than older generations, and the price premium isn't always justified. Still, for sedans and crossovers prioritizing smoothness and safety, Michelin remains a strong option. Continental is a rain specialist. In wet traction tests, it repeatedly delivers some of the shortest stopping distances available. Its tread designs evacuate water aggressively, reducing hydroplaning when conditions turn ugly. In rainy regions, many mechanics trust Continental without hesitation because when roads get slick, these tires still grip. Goodyear earns its reputation as a workhorse. Durable construction, thick sidewalls, and good heat resistance make it reliable across a wide range of vehicles. Certain all-weather models have become favorites in shops because they perform consistently year after year, without surprises. Yokohama is where handling takes center stage. Lightweight construction, sharp steering response, and quiet operation make it a favorite among drivers who enjoy the road. Engineers appreciate its balance between performance and longevity, often delivering premium-level feel without premium pricing. Bridgestone stands out for endurance. Long tread life, exceptional heat resistance, and motorsport-derived engineering give it an edge for long-distance drivers and SUVs. Mechanics often recommend Bridgestone to drivers who want 70,000 miles without drama. And then there's the brand that surprises almost everyone. Pirelli. Often dismissed as a supercar tire company, modern Pirelli lines have quietly become some of the most balanced tires available. Wet braking performance ranks at the top in multiple tests. Tread life competes with long-standing durability leaders. Sidewalls are strong without sacrificing comfort. Defect rates are impressively low. Many mechanics now say Pirelli today feels like what Michelin was 15 years ago. Engineered first, marketed second. But now we need to talk about the other side of the shop. The brands mechanics actively avoid. These names appear everywhere. Big box stores, online deals, bargain racks, but behind the counter, they trigger warning looks. Shops see repeat failures, customer comebacks, and dangerous performance patterns. Ironman tires are known for one thing: price. And that price comes at a cost. High blowout rates, inconsistent rubber hardness, poor wet braking, and extremely short lifespan. In controlled wet stopping tests, Ironman required dozens more feet to stop than premium brands. Mechanics report replacing more failed Ironman tires in a few years than premium brands over decades. Lionheart tires look aggressive. Sporty tread, flashy design, strong marketing. Inside, it's a different story. Weak internal belts, early cracking, poor hydroplane resistance, and rapid heat buildup. Tests show these tires reach failure temperatures dramatically faster than trusted brands, meaning higher speeds push them closer to disaster. And then there's Douglas. This is the tire mechanics warn about most. Thin sidewalls, rapid tread wear, unstable highway behavior, and dangerously long wet stopping distances. In real-world testing, Douglas tires needed over 100 feet more to stop on wet pavement than top performers. Failures often happen suddenly, without warning. Many technicians describe them bluntly as rubber shaped into a circle, and nothing more. Why are these tires still everywhere? Profit. Cheap tires carry massive markups. Premium tires don't. Some chains make double the profit selling low-end rubber. That's why advice changes depending on who's asking. Mechanics tell their families one thing. Stores tell customers another. Driving style matters too. Long highway commuters benefit from quiet, wet-stable tires. Hot climate drivers need heat-resistant compounds. Rain-heavy regions demand superior water evacuation. Sporty drivers need sidewall precision. Trucks require reinforced construction. Matching the tire to how you actually drive matters more than brand loyalty. And here's the final mechanic trick. You can spot tire quality in under 30 seconds. Look at tread depth and channel design. Squeeze the sidewall. Firm beats soft every time. Check the manufacturing date. Inspect reinforcement layers. And don't ignore tread wear ratings. They tell a story marketing never will. Your tires are not just accessories. They're safety equipment. The difference between a well-engineered tire and a cheap one is the difference between avoiding an accident and becoming one. So now I want to hear from you. What tire brand are you running right now? Would you change it after watching this? Drop your answer in the comments. Tell us what country you're watching from, and your experience might help another driver make a life-saving decision. If this breakdown helped you see your car differently, hit like, share this with someone who needs to hear it, subscribe for more real car care insights, and stay safe out there, because what's under your car matters more than what's on it.